you well, that you're safe with knowing all that is happening with COVID-19 all around the world. Here in space, we are very safe. We are protected from the COVID-19 because we are far, far away from the Earth. And that's the opportunity for me to send you a new video about UFOs or mysteries surrounding us. And guess what is the subject today? The subject is about the ancient Anunnaki gods who may be coming back to Earth. Yes, and that was a leak from the Pentagon that popped in an interview which was made public. So, please, let me invite you to discover together this new article, this new subject on the web right now. Okay, so we are here on the web, on the website ancientblog.net. Okay? And as you can see on the picture, the title talks about the ancient Anunnaki gods are coming back to Earth, a Pentagon leak in epic interview. It was published on July the 4th of 2020. As you know, maybe, the Anunnaki are amongst some of the strangest and most popular deities that mythology has ever uncovered. They originate back to the ancient Sumerian times, and according to their lore, these creatures created or may have created humankind only to be their slave laborers. This is a theory developed by Zecharia Sitchin. The Anunnaki supposedly lived on Earth well over 432,000 years ago, and the ancient Sumerian tales speak of how they were immortal and extremely wise. So the Anunnaki are coming back. Recently, however, a Pentagon whistleblower came out with the following statement: the Anunnaki are coming back. He didn't wish to let himself be known, of course, because leaking such information would possibly mean that he'd get in serious trouble. But he did declare to the interviewers that they will soon return to Earth. According to the ancient Sumerian tablets, they can control and manipulate humanity at will, and if they are coming back, that means they have run out of the resources that they collected from us many thousands of years ago, and they are coming back for more. And as you can see on the illustration, they were often described as superior human beings with wings, and that's the theory or that kind of illustration that lead people to believe that they were some kind of angels or gods coming from the sky, from the stars. Nibiru, the planet that they inhabit, doesn't have an atmosphere, so they are damaged by the cosmic radiation which phases through their bodies. In order to fight it, they collect gold and other minerals in and spread them into the air. This is why they originally came to Earth, and it is also most likely why they are returning. And it was that kind of theory was a bit developed in cinema, in movies like Prometheus by Ridley Scott, where we have
Veo en tus ojos
ansiedad y soledad. Have that concept of a giant potential alien engineer who came million of years before humanity. They came to Earth with other engineers like him. They came to Earth to seed life in order to create some new species, some new races, and maybe to have later some species of slaves working for them, for these superior beings. So check out the following videos and see for yourself. So we have, of course, the video on Nibiru Planet X Anunnaki Alien Invasion. This is on the channel, the YouTube channel Infamous. And we have another channel, UFO Mania. The truth is out there, with a marvelous picture of a mothership taken from the TV show Stargate, I guess. We are talking about Sumerian gods and the ancient aliens and fallen angels, okay? And as he's saying, some people at the Pentagon are talking about these Sumerian gods, the return of these gods. And the video of this interview was published in 2011, okay? 2011. In the description of the video, it is said that Stan Dio says NASA and the Pentagon believe the Anunnaki will return with the coming of Nibiru. Whether it's a planet, brown dwarf star, we will find out, but something ain't right. It's likely Anunnaki are already here. This will be a stage contact. The name Nibiru was taken from the old Sumerian stone tablets and is loosely translated to mean planet of the crossing. The Sumerian civilization is thus far the oldest recorded civilization located in Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq. Sumerians spoke about planet Nibiru and the gods called the Anunnaki, those who came from heaven to earth, and their direct influence on Earth's civilizations and creating a hybrid species called Nephilim. And this was published in 2011. Is it still a current subject? Is it actual? I don't know. Is the return has it started? Are they already here on Earth, or are they still coming to Earth? This is the opportunity to make later a more complete video about the subject. We ever made a video about the theory of the ancient Anunnaki gods. It was 2 years ago, I believe, on section 51 with a synthetic voice. It was an interesting video, and we were ever talking about Zecharia Sitchin and this theory that he has developed. This theory based on facts and on his studies. And maybe you know that he was a lot criticized by the scientists and researchers on the subject, so researchers of the main school, the mainstream.
Automatically save money that's not being used. Introducing Money Scout from Huntington. Welcome.
It's my first night there. I see this guy, and I was terrified.
Such as UFO researchers are often criticized by UFO skeptics or UFO debunkers. I think that this is a subject that you must consider. You cannot ignore this subject. You cannot ignore this theory, because this is a theory which was developed more or less in some different fields, in cinema, as I was saying, in the books, or in other supports, and I think that a lot of people, a lot of creators, a lot of clever people, open-minded, and are receptive to that theory, and I'm a part of these people. I think that this theory needs to be studied, needs to be developed, because it gives a lot of questions and a lot of interrogations, a lot of mysteries, and as you know, we have a lot of relics, of ancient sites, of places all around the world, like pyramids, like big giant stone structures on the land or underwater, which remain unexplained. Even the famous researchers, the mainstream researchers, and the strongest debunkers don't know, they still don't know what are the origins of that kind of buildings. And maybe, if the witness is right, maybe one day, actually, these ancient gods will come back on Earth, and that will be the best proof that they exist, and that they were one time in the past, very far away in the past, they were once on Earth just before us, before human beings, and they were somewhere our fathers, our ancestors. They were maybe our creators. I like the idea, I have to admit, but I need to know more, and I want to know, just like you. And you, what do you think of this? What do you think of this theory? Would you like to know more? Would you like that we develop more the theory of the ancient Anunnaki? Would you like to have more information about this here on Section 51? Do you think that this testimony is authentic? Do you think that this is trustful? Do you think that people in the private circles at the Pentagon are still talking about the return of the ancient gods on Earth? And do you think that it already happened, or maybe it will happen in some days, in some weeks, in some months? I don't really know. Maybe the COVID-19 somewhere is a sign which is here to prepare the arrival of these ancient gods. I don't know. I'm not telling this but I'm saying that there is a lot of things happening, and this is really bizarre. This is very intriguing as always. So thank you guys for watching this new video that was very interesting. Thank you for your kind comments, for your reactions in the description of the video, of course. I would be very curious to know your opinion, your point of view on this subject, this very big subject. This is very huge. And this is very difficult to see all the details of this very huge theory, because it suggests a lot of links, a lot of effects, a lot of influences in different fields, and it may completely change the human history if we find some more proofs about what this theory is saying. So that's completely mind-blowing if it's true. So thank you again. Until the next video, stay safe. Don't miss the next video. Keep your eyes open. Keep looking.